That would suck.
All right, so to continue on this, just finish example 9 here. You guys, when they give us a table of values like this, we first of all just need to finish filling out the table. So if we're finding the total, well, let's read it. It says the table below shows the results of a survey of 11th grade and 12th grade students at Brookdale High School. Students were asked if they had a job last summer. So here's has a job, no job, 11th grade, 12th grade. We're going to finish filling out the chart. So 18 plus 30 is?
48.
Thank you. 22 plus 10?
32.
18 plus 22?
40.
30 plus 10?
40.
And then this direction, it should be the same number, right? Because it should add this way. Yeah.
60.
What?
Oh,
80. 80.
Oh,
Right? You're bad. Okay. So now that we have all of the totals, we should be able to answer the questions. So do you remember on the note-taking guide, or on the other side, I guess, of this note-taking guide, I reminded you what these symbols mean? So the upside down one, the union one is the U, and then this one would be intersection. So when it's upside down like that, that's an and, meaning they overlap each other and they both happen at the same time. But we're going to use the chart to answer those questions. So here it says J stands for job and T stands for 12th grader. So we want to know who has jobs and is a 12th grader. So we're going to look at jobs and 12th grader. And jobs and, oh wait, did I look? Jobs. Jobs and 12th graders is how many people? 30 out of a total of how many people altogether? 80. Good. Okay. Now, when it's the overlap part like that, you guys, it's really easy because that was jobs and 12th grader. This one is an or. So this one is this one or this one, which means we're going to have to do 2 probabilities. And if there is any overlap, we're going to have to subtract off the overlap. Okay? So first we're going to have to find the probability of, what does N stand for? No job. So how many kids have no jobs?
32 out of 80.
32 out of 80. Okay. Then, because we're adding, because this is a add one, right? Now we have to find 12th graders' probability. So the probability of being a 12th grader is 40 out of 80. Now we have to subtract off the overlap of 12th graders without a job. So 12th graders without a job is 10 out of 80. And when we subtract those, and we'll add and subtract those, what do you get?
3140. Yeah, no.
Yeah, it is 31/40ths. Very nice. I had 62/80ths written on my paper, but that reduces the 31/40ths. I just didn't reduce it, so nice job. Okay, questions on that problem? Okay, so this one has to be done the same way, right? Because again, it's an or. So we're going to do the probability of no job, which is 32 out of 80. We're going to add the probability of 11th grader, which is 40 out of 80. And we're going to subtract off the probability of them both happening, which is 22 out of 80. So almost the same problem, huh? And this time we get
3/8.
3/8.
Oh no, I did it wrong.
I think it's 5/8.
Yeah, I did. My mind is 42.
5/8 for your answer. Okay, questions on how I did that?